Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Wahi. The Arabic word Wahi has many meanings. It is used for quickly pointing out something, and it is also used for orderly written material and a balanced way of living. Al-Wahi is the law given by Allah to human beings in the Quran. Usually people ask questions about the need for and importance of Wahi. They say that human intellect and reasoning power given to human beings is sufficient to solve their intricate problems of life. Humans do not need any help from outside. The recorded history of human civilization stretches over 6,000 years. During this lengthy period, countless nations rose to power and formed many systems of government to give peace and prosperity to all sections of society, but they failed miserably. The most intelligent people in the community always formed a group to dominate the less intelligent folk. They knew very well that all humans love liberty. So, to subjugate and take work from them, they concocted many stories. And elite group of people was chosen to strengthen their claims. This group was given many advantages and a place of honor in society. Moreover, a halo of piety and spirituality was placed around them. A Brahman is born superior to other human beings because he comes from the head of Brahma. A commoner cannot do anything about it. His status in society and the type of work he must perform all is decided by some cruel power before his birth. Someone may declare that these divisions are a matter of the past. Now humanity has grown out of it. But the reality on the ground is quite different to this declaration. Many groups of developed countries are trying to establish their superiority on color, religion, and other such things which are based on accident of birth over which humans have no control. Appeal to emotions and feelings play a dominant role in this mess. Most of the time, clever folks flatter their followers by making false claims about their future, such as entering paradise without doing any constructive work simply by uttering some words or blindly following something they cannot understand. Moreover, many human beings are waging wars against each other. unlawfully gained land has more value to human life. The loss of human life is becoming meaningless. The most regrettable thing is the death of young soldiers, innocent civilians, women, and children. Emotions are running so high that penetrating them to find the truth is difficult. It is not the failure of warring nations only, it is the failure of humanity that they cannot stop this bloodbath and solve their disputes peacefully. Wahi plays an important part in such critical situations. We all know that with the arrival of money, an individual's prosperity increases. He or she can buy a car, a house, and everything that his or her purse allows. But it is Wahi who points out that prosperity by ill-gotten means has a short life. It also tells that this universe has not come into existence without a purpose. A powerful and wise personality runs the whole show through his laws. For example, the fire must burn the finger if someone puts it in. All influential presidents of the planet Earth cannot stop it. Allah has bestowed a spark of divine energy on human beings and distinguishes them from animals. An animal cannot distinguish between right and wrong, but a human being with the help of values can distinguish between good and bad. That is why the law of requital records every human action and thought, and we must face the consequences of our destructive and positive actions. Most materialists do not believe in the continuity of life after death. For them, life is only life in this world. They do not expect any punishment for their destructive works, which makes them bolder to commit further crimes. The other group, in contrast, believes in the continuity of life after death and the future results of our actions. Al-Wahi gives us a more elaborate picture of life by pointing out that human life differs from animal life, although we share many instincts such as sleeping, drinking, eating, and procreation. Allah has given us the desire to lead a higher life. The desire to live a higher life leads us to values. The discovery of values is unique event in human life, and it is beyond the imagination of an animal. Animal lives only to fulfill his instincts. Wahi also reminds us of our selfishness, greed, and limitation. One can acquire trillions of dollars, but one cannot eat all that is on the planet Earth. We can digest only a limited quantity of food in our lives. The same is true of other essentials of living. To deprive others of their shares and hold everything for oneself is not a wise decision because one will go ahead in life and these things will not be of any use to him. So the best policy should be to share the blessings of life with our fellow humans. Without this psychological change in our mind that money and power are not the only best objects to be pursued, there are many more valuable and precious things in life. We cannot bring any change to our society. Noah to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Wahi has been coming from for humans to guide them on how to lead a healthy and well balanced life, which is good for life on earth and in the future. The truth with clear and sparkling reasons is revealed to the prophets and through them to all humanity. The Quran says there is no compulsion in deen. 2/256. No one can force another person to adopt a certain course of life. The right and wrong ways are clearly defined by Wahi of Allah. 2/256. Now it is for human beings to adopt the way they like. In this way, humans can exercise their freedom to choose without any compromise. The human species has successfully tried numerous systems. As such, they should try to implement the one based on what is good for the entire humanity.